when we talked about this event, the inaugural Manufacturing Summit, we really wanted to focus on small to mid-sized manufacturers because they seem to kind of be left out of the conversation sometimes. So we certainly wanted to bring them to the table to give them an opportunity to network with some of the state's larger manufacturers and really build a resource among manufacturers in the state. I think West Virginia over the last few years has developed a lot of business-friendly policy that's making the state more attractive for manufacturing investment, and that continues to be a priority. So we look at tort reform, we look at the privatization of workers' compensation that brings us to that low rate for workers' compensation. And we've really turned the corner, I think. In addition to being close to so many natural resources, the shale development here, downstream ethane and what that can mean for chemical and petrochemical manufacturing, our proximity to large populations, we are really at an intersection and ready to turn a corner.